Test scores are normally distributed with a mean of 78 and a standard deviation of 10. 32% of test scores are below what score? In this problem, they're giving us the mean and they're giving us the standard deviation. But we need to find the actual score or the actual value. They've given us the probability. Essentially what we have here is we want to know the probability that x is less than some value is equal to 0.32. We're trying to find what that value is. Therefore, the first step that we're going to have to do is draw our picture and then use our standard normal probability table. Our mean is 78. It told us that 32% of test scores are below what score? Therefore, we know that we're talking about scores less than some value. And we want 32%. At 78 would be 50%. So that means that our shaded region is going to be somewhere to the left of 78. And we're trying to find that x value. This area is our 32%. It's 0.32. So we need to go to our standard normal probability table. We're going to look in the body of the table and try to find the closest value to 0.32. Looking in the body of the table, towards the bottom we get towards 0.3. We need the closest to 0.32. I see 0.3192 and 0.3228. 0.32 lies between these two values. We don't know exactly where it lies, and so the way that we solve this is we're going to have to choose the one that it is closest to. It is closer to 0.3192 than it is to 0.3228. Therefore, we're going to use this z value. We look over to the very far left-hand column, and we see it's negative 0.4. And then we look up to the very top for that that column, we see 7. Therefore, this z value is going to be negative 0.47. Our z is negative 0.47. And we can use our z-score formula to solve for our missing x value. I'm going to replace z with negative 0.47. I'm going to replace the population mean with 78 and the standard deviation with 10. Now we just have to solve. To get rid of the 10 in the denominator, we multiply both sides by 10. So we have negative 4.7 is equal to x minus 78. And then we add 78 to both sides. Our x value ends up equaling 73.3.